Now I'll be touching on the alarm system. Okay, after the user has parked with the bicycle, right? He can then lock the bicycle with a bicycle chain and rest this bicycle chain on this limit switch. Okay, there's a click sound. Okay, good. Okay. After that, right, a user can go to the alarm system and then press this tiny button to reset the password and key in his preferred password. For now, I have set the password as 010101. Okay, now right, I'll show you how the bicycle user can retrieve his own bicycle if he wants. Okay, first right, the bicycle owner has to key in the alarm sequence, the alarm password he set. As mentioned here, it's 010101. 010101. Okay, good. So when the alarm system has been unlocked, right, the the alarm has been switched off. So right now, the user can now safely remove this chain and unlock his chain first.